Hey everybody, this is a very quick video in case you have a Chamberlain garage door opener and you need to replace the battery. It's really easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. It's only going to take less than a minute here. So what you're going to want to do is you can either take this the metal tab off the back of it if you want, or if not, you can leave it on. You can replace the battery without doing it. It's just a little bit easier to lay it flat on the table if you just pull the tab off. And then once you do that, you just need like a flathead screwdriver, or even like a butter knife, or even if you got really strong nails, you can probably do it with your nails. But what you want to do is in this groove in here, you just want to kind of come in with a screwdriver or that knife and just kind of pry it and pop the thing open with it just pops open via with the little tabs. And once that happens, you'll see inside the battery is here with the lettering up. It's a CR2032 battery. It takes one battery. These are very common batteries. You can get them off of Amazon. You can really get them anywhere. I'll put a link in the description in case you don't have one. You can get a cheap one on Amazon. And then all you do is pull out the old battery, pop the new one in with the lettering up, just squeeze the top back, squeeze the controller back together, and you're good to go.